Yes, Ambassador, thank you so much for joining us live here on SlyMedia TV.
Okay.
First and foremost, what does it mean to the brand of the Bendera to be associated with the prisoners who are sometimes recognized or seen as outcasts in the society?
Well, basically what I would want to say is, everyone is a potential inmate. Everybody has got a potential of committing a crime. So no matter what rank you possess in society, or no matter the lowest or the higher rank that you possess, at the end of the day, if you commit crime, if you just go against the law, you will be incarcerated. So these people, they're also human beings that we feel needs our support as well. After the rehabilitation, they also need our support, even during the time of their incarceration, when they are having the correctional part of their sentence. I feel it's our duty as a people, if we come together and support such initiatives, such people. There's so many things that are needed, in prisons right now. But the little that we can give and offer to them, the moral support, counseling, I'm sure we will go far as a people. And as another brand, we're just people, just there for the people. We're doing this for the people and not only for the brand itself.
Yes, kune vabereki vanoti kana munhu kana hama achingaenda kuchirongo kunotonga kunogara mujere nekuda kwemhosva yaanenge akafara vanobva vamuramba. Kune vanhu vakadaro munotiwo kudii?
So I'm just encouraging my families, my societies, my communities, these people. Please accommodate them, give them love, show them respect. They've reformed and they want your support. If they don't get that support, we'll find maybe perhaps after a week or so, we get 1 or 2, 3 inmates coming back, to serve another sentence, which is not we don't condone that. And it's just some of the issues is that when we don't support them, when we don't give them love, then we end up having so please tokumbirawo gashirawo vana vadzoka kumusha masoja pakuhondo saka vada kuti muvabikiro muvachengeto vapepe kudya nemabasa ekuita ari nani, so that they won't come back kuno.
Tobva mabasa, Ambassador, mabasa api avakadzidziswa anoita kuti zvavabuda munomu vagone kuzviriritira sevanhu vakanga vakorektwa, as the word says, correctional services. We understand that it's no longer a punishment, but it's a correctional service which is being provided to them. They now have skills. What kind of skills are they being given or imparted within the prison?
Okay, right now, we've got school, chikoro. Some of them are not with chikoro chao, some O levels, I want to know O level, A level. I'm going to do my degrees already. So, they're trained in welding, they're trained in carpentry. There are a lot of things that they are trying to do here. So whatever.
Yes, you appeal as the ambassador for the Zimbabwe Prison Correctional Services to the corporates to be able to support. We know we are in difficult times. Every business, including the prisons, they want food and some other overhead costs. But the corporates can come and help through you. What's your appeal to the business community?
I just want to say that people should know that Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services is not a profit-making organization. It's an organization that needs support. It needs very serious corporate support. So I think we're going to approach so many corporates. Please, when we come and approach you, this is our duty. This is what we're doing for the people. So, meetings well and support us.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So much thank you.
So much thank you.
All right. Tell me some correctional facility. Reformer. Sulumani for you live here on SlyMedia TV. Let's get